Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be working on my 2023 Maverick Hybrid XL today. I'm going to be installing these side storage compartments. I'll list the part number in the description below, so you can get these from the Ford dealer for about 50 bucks a piece, depending on which dealer you got. So all you need to do to install this is grab a 10mm and a T30 Torx socket, and that's all you need. Just a few minutes, and you can do it yourself, so follow along. Start here by removing this side tie-down point with the T30 bolt. Got that out of the way. Then it's just removing these Ford 10mm. And then this panel just pulls out of the way. Let me reinsert the new one. And it just drops in. You got to get these bolts lined up. Get it finger tight. Get them started first. So we use the wrench on it. Just be careful not to over tighten these, because it will break the plastic. I just got to put this side anchor mount back in. So you got plenty of storage in there now. Just got to do the same thing to the other side. Thanks for watching. That was super easy to do. Definitely anybody can do it by themselves. All you're going to need is a 10mm and then a T30 Torx socket. You just have to swap out those 4 bolts, put the new panels in, and you're done. So if you like this video and you want to see more, hit that like and subscribe button, follow me, and hit that bell for any more notifications on Maverick videos or something else that I got a project on. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.